The Legend of the Mermaid. Juan and Juana, a couple from a small barrio, were expecting a child. Juana loves eating fish, but Juan struggled to catch any. That's why it makes Juana sad. One day, Juan encountered the king of the milkfish and offered him an endless supply of fish in exchange of his unborn child when turned 7. Desperate to provide for his wife, Juan agreed to the deal. Years later, their daughter Maria grew into a beautiful child with sparkling eyes. As she turned 7, Juan remembered his promise to the king of the milkfish and became anxious. Juan begged for another way, but the king refused. One night, Maria mysteriously disappeared into the sea and never to return home. Juan and Juana mourned their loss. One evening, they saw a beautiful creature near the shore. A woman with a human body and a lower body covered in shiny scales. Maria transformed into the first mermaid and forever living in the ocean.